Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Good Friday morning, everyone. Time now 8:21. Most of the area is still dry, but we're beginning to see the precipitation work into northern Kentucky, and this is still in the form of some flurries or even some light snow showers up across Grant, Pendleton County, Bracken, Mason, and even Robertson County. Probably seeing a few flurries at the moment, but more from where that came from coming out of Indiana and Ohio. I'll show you a wider view of radar momentarily. It's cold this morning, but it's not nearly as cold as it was earlier this week or going back over last weekend. Look at these temperatures here, upper 20s, low 30s. This is about average for us this time of the year for a typical morning low. Should be upper 20s. So look how fast. We'll widen out the view. That the snow is starting to work into the state fast. I mean, really fast. And it's starting to fill in the coverages a bit up toward Indianapolis. This is a front that's going to push this snow into the state. You'll notice on the western flank of that precip shield, some pink showing up on the radar. That's where there's likely a little bit of a wintry mix. Now, the farther south and west of Lexington you go, as temperatures keep climbing there, we'll have a little better chance to maybe see a wintry mix kind of working into this. When we talk about that, that could be a mix of some snow, a little sleet, maybe even a little freezing drizzle out west. And then as it keeps warming, we'll work in even a little bit of rain to the southwest. Now, I'll start this at 9 o'clock this morning. What you'll likely notice here, or I'll draw your attention to, is that this computer guidance still doesn't have any snow in the state at 9. So the system is moving in faster. We'll likely already start to have that snow working into parts of Harrison, Scott, and over into Robertson and Nicholas counties even by the top of the hour. So let's fast forward it. By lunch, still looking at some snow to the north and northeast. To the southwest, there's that bit of a wintry mix. As we go through the early afternoon, I still think it's working into southeastern Kentucky. So it's moving faster than what this shows. So by likely 3 o'clock, I think most of us by that point this afternoon are done with the widespread precipitation. But look at the temperatures, some middle and upper 30s, even could hit the 40s to the south, even though it'll be low 40s. That's why we've been saying that some rain could mix in down here. Then by the evening, likely 6, 7 o'clock and onward, some scattered snow showers start to kick in as moisture comes off the Great Lakes, comes south, and that leads to some of those scattered snow showers, maybe a snow squall. That's why that snow chance continues tonight. Then by tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds. And then on Sunday, another little system brings more clouds back. Winter weather advisory, all the purple shaded counties through earlier this evening here. You can see that includes Lexington. The counties under the advisory here stand the best chance to get near an inch. Maybe a little bit more. Could somebody in those counties get on the lower end of that scale about a dusting? I'm not going to rule it out. But the blue shaded areas, so basically Lexington northeast, could get dusting up to 2. The farther northeast you go, for sure an inch plus. All right, we work our way into the gray zone, anywhere as little as a trace to 1 inch, because some of these spots back off to the west here may not see anything until later on tonight when the scattered snow showers begin to kick in. But some good news in our 7-day forecast. It's not till next week, but at least we're warming. And a nice warm up and thaw is going to happen. Sunday will still be cold with clouds around, but we do a big jump with some 40s and even 50s in part of the state on Monday. 50s, maybe some 60s on Tuesday with a chance for rain showers late. Showers and then trending cooler into Thursday back near 40, but at least that is still above freezing.